I'm pretty pissed off right now, guys. My daddy's supposed to pick me up, but he got a new iPhone 5, and the Apple Maps on there is terrible. He can't find the house now, and he can't pick me up. We're supposed to go watch a movie tonight, so I'm mad. I'm stuck here, and Apple Maps is nothing like Google Maps. Is better, and because Google Maps isn't on the iPhone 5, my daddy can't find me, and we can't fucking spend time together. So, I'm done. My daddy needs a new phone, because Google Maps keeps the family together. Apple Maps tears the family apart. And my daddy can't find me now.